Murf AI text to speech. Hello there. Today we'll learn about how to use this AI generated software where it allows you to convert your text or scripts into different voices that are artificially generated from 130 AI voices that you can use from different accents and tonalities. So what you can do here is that you can go to your browser, Murf AI, Murf.ai rather, and then once you have searched for the platform, what you can do is sign up for your account, or you can log in if you already have created your own account. So on your browser, you just need to type in Murf.ai, and then you will be routed to this page. Usually this will be the first option. And then here, for you to get started, you can click on create a project. So as you can see, you can start with a video or you can start with using your audio here. So we can start with a blank page, or there's also templates that you can use as well for this project. So once done, you can just click on create project, and then wait for it to load up. This may take a while. Here, as you can see now that it has been fully loaded, you can see on this part, this is where you will be adding a text. So for example, we'll type in hello, and there you can see that the voice that we are creating or we are currently in use as Nate, but you can click on Nate, and then you will be routed to selecting a voice. You can choose whether it's a male or a female, or you can also modify as well what age group this belongs. And you can even choose what language or what accent you want the voice to be in here. So you have different voices here. You can just click on the play icon, and then that will provide you a demo on how their voice may look like. So you just need to browse on what voice you prefer. But as you can see, some of the voices has a pro icon on their end where you may only be able to use them once you have upgraded to a pro plan here on Murf.ai. So what you can do is just you can just choose the free voices in this platform so that you will be able to continue creating your own project. Here. So I just choose Millie. So you can actually just click on the plus icon here on the right side of this box. This will generate the word and the voice that we selected. And you can even change the pitch and the speed, and we can even add space or pause later on as well. So when we click on this play icon, it will generate the changes. And then once that's fully generated, you can go ahead and click on play, and then it will provide you the sample or how the voice will look like or how it will be processed by the voice that we selected. So here on this left side panel as well, the navigation tool, you can even import scripts as well. So for example, you already have a conversation or a story that you want to have it narrated using AI voice. you can definitely do so as well. So here, let's try to look for a quote, and then we will use that quote so that the AI voice will be able to narrate that to us, to see if how we will be able to distinguish whether it is suitable for this quote as well, so we can make any changes later on. So here I just click on generated, and then if ever the pitch is too high or the speed is too fast, you can go ahead and adjust that, and then just click on the plus icon, I mean the play icon rather, and then it will generate the voice, and then you can go ahead and play for you to listen to the demo on how, or preview the voice rather, for the code that we just typed in on the text box. So here, let's go back or switch the voice to Nate, and then just click on select, and then you can also click on apply voice to the entire project, so that all of the text boxes will be under the same voice. So here you can just click on play for it to generate, and then that would be played. So if once you have listened to the how the message or the quote was delivered, you can go ahead and go to that specific part of the sentence that you want to add pause. So here, when you click on add pause, you have the option to have it extra weak, weak, medium, strong, or extra strong, or you can even customize how long the pause would be. Here, so once you're satisfied with the pauses that you've added, you can go ahead and click on the play icon on the lower part of the screen. That would actually generate the whole script or the whole text boxes. So that would include the first box that we created earlier for a different voice. And then here on the timeline, you can see on Millie, and then if you don't want that to be included, you can just click on the three dots menu, and then you can just go ahead and click on delete, so that it will be removed from your timeline. So only the code will be generated for the narration of this code that we added. Here, so you can actually modify as well on how you would like the pronunciation to be in. So you can just highlight the word and then right click, and then just click on pronunciation, and then here you have suggested or recommendation on how the pronunciation of that specific word would be. Here, so you can also import scripts as well. So this will, you can use documents like a text document or a Word, or even the .srt documents. So you can just click on the upload or select a file, or you can just drag and drop that into the box. Then once done, you can go ahead and click on export. But for this to be processed, you can also modify on what the format would be, what's the quality of the voice. But for you to download this, you'd actually need to unlock or upgrade into a plan where it starts at $29 per month on this for you to be able to download the audio. But for this, you can just go ahead and you have the option to share the link, so that you will be able to share the audio to your group or to your team, if they would need it. And that's about it. That's how you will make use of Murf AI to text to speech. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.